Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve how to convert 4% to decimal. So let's start with today's video solution. So right now our question is in terms of percentage and we have to convert it in terms of decimal. So let's start with today's video solution. So this symbol percentage is equals to percent, that means 1 by 100. So when you remove this symbol, you can write 1 by 100, or in place of 1 by 100, you can write this symbol. So I can write this as 4 times 1 by 100, which is equals to 4 by 100. Now, if there are 10010 or 1000 like digits in denominator, you can write the decimal depending upon the digits in zeros. So there are two zeros in denominator. So we will put our decimal before two places. So there is one place in numerator. So first we'll make two places. Now put the decimal before it. And if there is no digit before that, write 0 as well. So 4 by 100 in terms of decimal is 0.04. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.